So here is the Ecwid full design tutorial. Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create an online store and embed it on their existing website or other platforms like social media, essentially enabling them to sell products directly through their website or various online marketplaces. So first, let's check out their pricing plans. They have free, venture, business, and unlimited. And if you go over to monthly over here, you'll be able to see their pricing for the monthly plans. But they have 16% off on their annual plans. And on the top right, click on Get Started for free. After that, you will need to fill in your details to create your account. Or you can use your Apple, Facebook, or Google account. So I will click on Google and choose my account. After that, click on Continue. Now, just wait for your account to be created. So once you're here on this section, you need to set your country from here. Click on this section and go through all of these options in order to select your country. Then click on Next. Then, do you have a website? Select your answer. If you select No, you'll be able to choose an address for your website. So, let's go ahead and put in a name for our new free website. You can also connect your existing website if you want, then click on Next. After that, what type of products will you be selling? So here, go through the options and choose the ones that are relevant, then click on Next. And on the next page, it says tell us a little more about yourself. So choose the relevant options and set your experience level, then click on Next. So once you're here on the next page, select the plan that you want. I will go with the free one. So as you can see, we're now in the Ecwid dashboard. You will get to see something like this. And on the top, it says get ready for your first sale. Follow our tips to get started. So go through these tips and set up your store to get the best results. As you keep completing these, you will get to see the green check mark beside each one of them. And for now, we only have 17% done. You need to make it full 100%, and on the left side, you will get to see all of these sections that you can use to customize your Ecwid store. So let's hover over website and you will get to see options like overview, design, domain, SEO. So let's check out design. On this page, you will get to see all the options to customize your design. So let's click on edit site right under online store. After that, you'll be redirected to their website editor. On this section, you will get to see all the available templates that you can use. And as you can see, they have a lot of good templates. So scroll through this page and check out all the templates that they offer. You can choose whichever one that fits your niche. And if you scroll up to the top, you will get to see sections like apparel, health and beauty, electronics, services, home, art, jewelry, and food. And if you like a template, you can click on Preview Template to check it out. And as you can see, the template preview is right here. You can scroll through the page and check out how the template will look. And to be honest, this looks pretty good. So scroll through the entire web page to check it out. Doing so, you can be sure if this is the template for you, and if this template fits the kind of design that you want. Now, let's go back. Here, just click on Apply Template. So now, as you can see, we're now in the website editor. On the left panel, you will get to see all of these options. If you click Change on Site Logo, you'll be able to set it as text or image. And after selecting image, as you can see, it is changing right away. For text, you can write the text over here. Now, click on Design. On this part, you can change the layout of your section. So go through these options and check them out. As you can see, the name is now in the middle. Right below it, you have site logo and background. So here, you can set the background style. Select each of the options and you will get to see an overview on the screen. So select and go through each of these options and check out how they look. Then just set the one that you like. Now, let's go back to content. Here, on the social media profiles, you can add social profile, or you can also add a button below. Now, let's go back. Once you're here, you will get to see additional options like this, like cover and headline. Here, you can edit each and every part of your cover. For example, if you click Change Image, you can upload an image from your desktop or PC. Just choose the image from your folders and click on Open. And as you can see, the image is now being uploaded. Once it's done, it will look something like this. Now, if you click on Primary button on the left panel, you will get to see options like this. You can choose the function for action on click. You can also link a web page to the button. And you have more options like Compose Email or Go to Store. And if you want, you can also change the title of your button. For example, you can type in something like Buy Now, and as you can see, it's being reflected on the website right away. This way you can type in whatever you want. Now, let's go back. You can also add New Button or Delete Section. Now, let's click on Back and select About Us. So on this section, you can customize the title and type in something else that you want. For example, I will add Welcome to our site. Then, you can go ahead to the description and change it up according to your needs. And if you click on Design, you will get to see options for the layout. This way you can select all of the layouts and check out how they look. Then, go over to Background and set the background as you want. You can set Default, Gradient, or Solid Color. Then, click on the color option below and choose the color that you want to set. And after you're done with the background, go over to Title. This is where you can customize the text. You can easily change the text size according to your preference. Then you can choose the style as well. And for the font, just click on this section and go through all of these options to select your desired font. And as you can see, it changed right away. Now, let's go ahead to Description. Here, you can customize the text for your description as well. So make your desired changes and set it up according to your preference. You can set different fonts and compare between them in order to choose the best one. Now, let's go ahead and change the size of the text. So once you're done with this section, click on Back on the top left. From here, let's select Product Collection. And as you can see, we're now in the main product page. The same way, you can change the title and product category. After that, you can add product sticker. And as you can see, there are a lot of sticker designs to choose from. And if you select this one, it will be reflected on your store just like this. Now, let's go back and select Brand Highlights. On this section, you can customize and showcase your brand highlights. Then, on the next section, you can put in details about yourself to let your customers know more about you. You can replace the image with your own or something else that you want. Then, let's go back and select Call to Action. This is the page where you ask your customers to do a specific task, like buying or subscribing. So make sure that it looks good and design it in a way that catches their attention. This way, just go through all of these options and make sure to set them up in a way that reflects your brand image. Now, let's go back. Then click on Contacts. This is where you can put in contact details about yourself or your business. You can also add social media links. And once you're done, just click on Publish on the top right corner. After that, your new website will be published, so click on View Site. And as you can see, our new website is ready. This way, you can easily design your Ecwid website and start your e-commerce business.